time for our Kitsap County Housing Market update. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Just want to point out that we have all of Kitsap County selected and we have all property types selected also. So let's go ahead and take a look at our average sales price. And April just finished, so we've got our completed April numbers, and we can see that the average sales price was $668,000 and a little bit of change. So let's compare that back over the last few years. We can see that April 2025, $663,000, April 2024, $630,000, April 2023, $575,000. In the spring and summer of 2022, that's when we saw our all-time high. So April was actually $676,000, almost $677,000. Since that all-time high in 2022, these winter lows have been slowly increasing. We can see 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026. We can see the highs have been slowly increasing then too. So we're anticipating that this coming high here that we're going to see this summer will most likely be pretty similar to this 2022 number. Okay, now let's come over and take a look at the total homes for sale. We can see for April, we're looking at 889, 2025, 863, and then 2024, 793, 2023, 692, 2022, 560, and then 2021, 508. So we can definitely see that the total amount of homes for sale, the inventory, is slowly increasing over the last 5 years. And of course, you would think inventory is increasing. Supply and demand principles mean that we should see our sales prices coming down. However, if we come over and look at the total amount of months of supply, and let's zoom out on this one all the way back to 2006 to give us a good reference point. So for April, we were at 2.7. And for general reference, if you're not familiar, typically somewhere between 4 and 6 months is considered a relatively balanced market. And so the last time that we had 4 months or more of supply was back in 2016. So while yes, we are seeing inventory increasing, that's okay. We need inventory to increase so that we can get a little more to a balanced market. And so here's another interesting one to look at. This is the percentage of original price. So in April, we were at 98.4%. And over the last few years, we've been right between 95 to 99%, somewhere in there for the last 5 years. In the winter of 2023, that was the lowest that we've seen over the last 5 years. Prior to that, it was probably about the highest that we've seen, with around 101 to 105%. And that concludes this edition of the Kitsap County Housing Market Update. If you're planning to buy or sell here in the Kitsap or surrounding areas, I'd be happy to help you navigate the process. Feel free to reach out to me directly anytime, or click the link to go to my website for more information. Thanks for watching.